This is one of the documentary made by our team, and one thing that I would like to say is we started together with a team that we would really like to help our country. That was the main aim behind this. उससे पहले I would like to say कि जब आप छोटे होते in our school times we are being taught नहीं we should help the poor people, we should go forward, we should see कहाँ पे किसे जरूरत है and we should move on. But once as we start growing up, we start thinking of the money. That no, first I have to make my career, then I have to proceed with more of my words, then more of my parents' desires, then again something more and again more. कभी भी चाहत कम नहीं होती. But I would like to say you that my team, Coin for Valid, have really a very good thinking that we came together and we want us, according to your help, that we really want to help India, and this is the main thing. Now I would like to show you some of the things, some of the presentations that we have made. We want to launch it over here. That was the biggest surprise for you, that we were launching our trust, that is Ashray Your Shelter Charitable Trust. In this trust, we are not going to do many more things other than we just want to help India. In fact, we are going to help outside Indian people who are really in need. That is the most important thing. Another thing जो मैं आप लोगों से share करना चाहती हूँ, that is something very personal about me. But I could think those people sitting over here, it must be touching you also from somewhere. When we people are child, जब मैं छोटी थी, I was in 6th standard. And my mommy, I was a convent background. They used to tell me that we should help poor. At that time, 5 rupees was a very, big amount for the children getting as a pocket money. मुझे 5 rupees दिया गया था. I was just waiting outside, Bibles में पढ़ा, and then it was like a lunch break for me. मैं बाहर गई अपने स्कूल के बाहर, and I saw कि एक ऐसे ही बूढ़ा सा आदमी, he was a handicapped, he was sitting. Students were there, people were there, roaming here and there, but nobody was there. He was like looking everybody कि मुझे कुछ खाने के लिए मिल जाए. And really people, it is a very important thing, a turn in my life, that after seeing that thing, I was totally changed. मुझे बहुत मन किया. मेरे पास टिफिन था. I had 5 rupees extra कि मैं जाकर दे सकती हूँ. But I thought, मैं दूँ या नहीं दूँ? पापा ने मुझे आज दिया, मैं इसे चॉकलेट खरीद सकती हूँ, केक खरीद सकती हूँ, आइसक्रीम खरीद सकती हूँ. But once I thought, और मैं सच में चली गई आइसक्रीम खरीदने के लिए. I bought that ice-cream, लेकिन मैंने खाया नहीं. I went and gave him. पता है अजीब सा लगा. The second, third time, again जब मैं आइसक्रीम खरीदी, I gave him. So that was a feeling. Even my classmates, schoolmates, everybody was laughing at me. Seriously, that big महान बन गई. That was the line. So another day, everybody laughed at me. I went to my sister, my principal, and I complained because I was a kid that time. I complained that these people are saying me these all things. And that time my sister told me that world people can think anything. जो तुम्हारा दिल कहे, जो तुम्हारा heart है, do it. That I decided that no, I'll be starting helping. I'll grow up. I'll be at that stage with my team, and I'll surely do that in a very well manner. I would really appreciate you people that you're together here with us, and I would like to call upon the trustees of my organization, Mr. Pramit Saran, the chairman of the company. Mr. Abhineet Sinha, the secretary of the company. Please give them a big clap. And trustees, Mrs. Meera Saran, Mr. Pramod Sinha, and Mrs. Rama Prasad. These are the trustees. And another thing, being the guardians, they have really helped us youngsters to prove ourselves once. After doing MBA, after doing everything, they never asked us go and do the job, do and this thing. We just asked them we want to prove ourselves once in the front of the world, and they gave us this opportunity. I would like to really thank them that they have done very good job and they have given us a chance, and this is a promise from our youngsters side that we will prove once that yes we can do, and we will do a part from our side to help India grow as well as the world to grow. Thank you all of you so much for your patience and giving us the opportunity to stand in front